So, just tell us a little bit about what you've been through.
Well, I had arthritis in my jaw joint, which was making it very difficult to eat, and it was giving me pains up into my forehead and all the way down and into my neck. And so I came to see Mr. Middleton, who said that it needed to have a new jaw joint in it.
Okay. And when did you have the surgery with Mr. Sidebottom?
In August the 10th.
Okay. And what procedure did we do?
A total joint replacement on the left side.
Okay.
And I was at a hospital. I could have gone the next day, but I decided to stay one extra one, just to be able to eat and drink properly afterwards.
And so we're now about 8 weeks after the surgery?
Yes, it's 8 weeks after, and I've been doing lots of exercises. I have to open my mouth every 2 hours as far as I can for 7 seconds and repeat it for 7 times. And that's really improved the opening, and I can now eat quite happily without any pain at all.
Good. And how wide can you open your mouth now?
3 centimetres.
Okay, can you just show us that? That's fantastic, thank you. Okay, would you recommend this surgery?
Definitely. It's improved my life tremendously. I can now eat quite happily, although it's mushy food at the moment, but by the time I get to 6 months I should be able to eat more normally. Hasn't restricted my diet, and the pain's gone away.
Thank you very much.